to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this Korean glass skin look. It is very natural, it is very clean. It has been trending since last year, but I really never gotten the chance to try it out myself. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with really simple steps. If you want to find out how to achieve that, keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, to achieve that Korean glass skin look, skincare is crucial. I think it is more important than the makeup itself. So yesterday night, I actually slept on this NANO White Fresh AQUA sleeping mask. It looks like this and it has a very gel-like texture. And it has amazing ingredients as well, such as red seaweed, tea tree oil, and also vitamin C that hydrates and moisturizes your skin. And I actually woke up with supple, fresh, and radiant skin, so this is a very important step to do every single night. Every morning after I wake up, I would have to cleanse my face, and I've been using NIVEA's Pearl White Caring Whip Facial Cleanser, and I really like the texture because it's very foamy and I like that squeaky clean feeling on my skin. And another thing that I like about it is that it has 0% alcohol and it will help you achieve that radiant and water-like skin from the first use. After cleansing my face, the next step is toner, and I'm using NUTOX's Renewing Treatment Lotion. And to really hydrate and moisturize my skin, I usually apply it on a cotton pad, and then you kind of divide it into two, and then you just apply it on your face. I usually do this when I feel that my skin is extra dry, has blemishes, and if it's feeling really tired. This really helps to hydrate my skin and brings back the moisture. Once 20 minutes is up, just remove it and you have really fresh, supple, and radiant skin. Once again, to achieve that Korean glass skin look, you need to really focus on hydration, and the next product that I'm gonna use is going to do just that. It's from NEUTROGENA, and this is the Hydra Boost Water Gel. You just apply it all over your face. Just dot it around like that. Don't be afraid to be a bit more generous because you want that glow to pop. Just be really patient and massage all the product in so that your skin can absorb all the goodness. So this Hydra Boost Water Gel actually helps to lock in the moisture of your skin throughout the entire day. So if you're out and about, don't have to worry about your skin drying up because this water gel will retain the moisture levels. Now the last step of the skincare before we move on to makeup is cream, and this is from Garnier. It's the Light Complete Multi-Action Whitening Serum Cream. It looks like this. Just like the water gel earlier, you don't need a lot of the product. Then you just dot it all over your face, like so. Rub your hands. I usually like to warm up my hands to help the skin absorb the product better. This cream has SPF 19. It helps you to protect your skin from UV rays. Now that the skincare is done, we are moving on to makeup, and I'm going to skip foundation because I want that natural glass skin look. So I'm just going to use concealer, and this is my favorite, the Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. I'm going to target it just on the parts where I think I need coverage, like under my eyes, a little bit around my lips. Alright. And then using a beauty sponge, I'm just gonna blend the concealer out. As you can see, because I skipped foundation and only applied concealer, my skin looks very natural and very dewy, and that is because of all the hydrating skincare that we applied earlier. Okay, to really amp up the glass skin look, I'm gonna put a bit of the Hydra Boost Water Gel onto my sponge, and then I'm just gonna apply it on the highest points of my face. To achieve the Korean glass skin look, I'm going to keep my makeup as minimal as possible because it is meant to be very natural and very dewy. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm using this brow palette from CATRICE. So So I'm just gonna fill my brows in, and it's okay if it doesn't look very filled because it is meant to be, again, natural. The most important part is to follow the direction of your brows. To make it more natural, I'm just gonna use the spoolie and brush the brows out. Now, to really enhance that glass skin look, I'm going to use this palette from Catrice, and I'm going to use this shade, which is the highlight shade in silver. I'm going to target it on the highest points of my face. Can you see it? Just gonna dab it. Okay, this is without the highlight. And this is with the highlight. Loving it. I might have applied too much on my cheeks, but don't worry because the beauty sponge is here to save the day. Ta-da! And then proceed to your nose. Looks good. No, you have to blend it, okay? Don't do it. Don't go out like that. I'm gonna amp it up a little more, and I'm gonna apply the highlight in gold on my cheeks. Then I'm gonna apply a bit of blush on my cheeks. I'm going to apply this lipstick from Intuit, and it is in the shade Pink Alarm. Just gonna apply it on the inner parts of my lips and just blend it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and for spending time with me. I'm very proud to be the bearer of good news because Guardian is having a total face care promotion, and what's happening is that you will get 40% off of all facial cleansers, toners, lotions, and moisturizers as well from the 7th till the 10th of June. So hurry up and grab all your skincare must-haves. If you have any makeup looks that you would want me to try, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. I would really love to read your suggestions. Subscribe to this channel and join the family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, Saya!